Today I am at the opening ceremony of FRECH Experience Centre. I am in conversation with Mr. Rakesh Ghag, Director of FRECH India. Congratulations, sir. How have you conceived this?
I have joined FRECH 3 years back. So the first requirement which came from the Indian customers was FRECH needs to have a warehouse where all the spare parts can be received over call, overnight, anywhere in India. So this is the first step towards meeting the customer requirement, where all the spare parts that are needed for FRECH die casting machines and peripherals are available in Pune, and they can be delivered across India overnight, whenever there is a customer need. The second part is about this experience center. FRECH is not only into die casting machines, but it also has 7 different business lines about peripherals like furnace, holding furnace, melting furnaces, thermoregulation units, vacuum systems, and automations like auto ladles, auto sprayers, and extractors. So all these automations and peripheral products are brand neutral. By brand neutral, I mean that these can be used by any machine maker, any die caster concerning any kind of machines. So to build about the visibility in the Indian market for all kind of peripherals, we have started this experience center. Any die caster in India can come down to FRECH Experience Center, have a look at all the equipments, test them, use it as a demo. They can take them very well to their die casting facility and use this equipment as a demo, and then make a decision further for the purchase of all this equipment. So that's the reason this experience center has been built up.
What are your future plans?
In future, what we are planning is a training center here at this premises, where all Indian die casters can send their shop floor people like the machine operators, die maintenance team members, machine maintenance team members from electrical, electronics and mechanical side. So what we are trying to do is build up a talent in the Indian die casting industry for running all sorts of die casting machines and peripherals. What the people will learn here are the basic skills required for machine operations and for day-to-day machine upkeep and maintenance. So that's going to be our future plan, and it will happen somewhere in the next 1 year.
So when you're training someone, wouldn't that turn into a competition later for you?
We don't feel that it would turn into a competition. In fact, it will grow the industry, because the more talent is available for machine operations, more talent is available for machine maintenance, that will ultimately lead in India growing the die casting industry further. So anyhow, as the cake size grows bigger, you get more to eat.
True. So what do you feel about the die casting industries? How has the growth been in the die casting industry?
If you talk about the Indian die casting industry, after the COVID, Indian die casting industry has been getting more and more inquiries from exports. So that's where we see the growth in the Indian die casting industry coming from. So we firmly believe that it is not only the aluminium sector of the die casting industry which will grow, but also the zinc and magnesium sectors of the die casting industry. From the inquiry bank that we have presently on hand, we feel that around 50% inquiries are from the aluminium die casting segment, 40% inquiries are from the zinc die casting segment, and 10% of the inquiries are from magnesium die casting. So all 3 segments in the Indian die cast industry are growing, and this will help even FRECH to grow further.
So thank you so much, Mr. Rakesh Ghag, and it's been a great pleasure for us to work with you again, and all the very best for your future.
Thank you, Shrinanda. It's been a pleasure working with Machine Maker since long. It's been almost 2 years that we have been associated with Machine Maker and Mr. Hari, and thank you for your presence here.